Alright, well, I'm back. Just want to say real quick thanks for all the likes on the last video. I think that you guys really enjoyed it. Probably just because nobody posted up a rear lip install, so I'm kind of hogging all the views for now until someone else posted a better video of it. Anyways, I got a few things I picked up. I could go over. Let me turn the light on real quick. Alright, so first of all, I picked up some OEM window visors. They're used, but I don't mind because they're gonna get repainted. So I actually got this from the founder of UASQUAD, or one of the founders, Steven. So if you guys know who the UASQUAD is, it's just Acura TL car club. So if you guys don't even heard about it, you guys could check it out. Just type in UASQUAD on like Instagram or Facebook. There's different chapters worldwide. I'm the Fresno chapter lead that covers Fresno, Madera, and Visalia. Might be able to cover Dinuba too if you guys are interested in local. But yeah, so you can check them out. I'll leave like the link in the description for them. I had to fix the Brembo real quick after I put the seal in. Kind of messed it up, so I gotta re-clear this because I had to order a new decal, so I gotta re-clear this. But yeah, came out pretty good. New seals in it. So watch stay tuned for my Brembo video because I got a few things. I got the ABS sensor, I got the new lug nuts, give you a sneak peek of what I went with. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. That one should be up right after this one. The only thing left I gotta get is the brake pads. But yeah, so the OEM window visors for the Acura TL. It says Honda right there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Pick these guys up. These are gonna get color matched. So my other ones are gonna be, I'm gonna hold on to them. One's on the car because I have the HIC ones. I'll show you the difference between them real quick if you guys are into like looking for them. So let me make sure I grab the right ones. I got, let's see. We got this guy. And I believe this one's the other one. Real quick. So right now I have the HIC ones. These are like really good for like third of the price of the OEM ones. So let me see. You can tell OEM is kind of dirty. That's all the way. Stops. So it lines up pretty damn good. You got the HIC logo right there. Yeah, I don't know, I kind of took mine in. I don't know if everyone else tucks theirs in right here, but I took mine in all the time. And this is the new one. It's kind of hard to show you. This one's like more flush instead of like a actual like lip, and then it kind of exceeds to make it look like it's flush. This one actually sits super flush like that, and it's a little bit more skinnier, but like I said, it don't have this excess right here, and it's just perfectly right here. So this will be a lot more of a cleaner look. Now for the front, same thing, has the excess right here, kind of stops here, has like a 1/2 inch of excess. All this is all double-sided tape, and this one goes in like this, so you can see. fits more perfect. Actually, it lines up there, goes all the way down, and that little tab, I believe this sucks in there, which is good. And this one actually has the clips, which is also nice. That way it keeps it like sturdy and everything. And this one actually does look a lot better in my opinion. So yeah, something I picked up for it. Almost everything complete. Then I'm gonna get painted. Got the Type-S bumper, Type-S rear lip, OEM window visors. I got the ASPEC side skirts. You can see that's when I test painted on rattle can. And I got my intake over here. This is gonna get painted, color match, and I gotta redo this. Yeah, this is like the only thing that cracked. You can see, not too sure why that happened. It's kind of weird. Then I'll show you what else. I'm gonna get color match real quick. The other thing I'm gonna get painted is this. You can see oxidation got to it. It was like that when I got it. My buddy sprays clear every once in a while. It kind of gets rid of it, but then it comes back. And then get paint this visor. So it's either this or the HIC ones. I actually like this one better. Kind of gives it like a more of a bigger like hump compared to anything. So yeah, so I kept this one, so that's gonna get painted. And it's gonna come off very soon. I just gotta get the paint, and that's all I have left. And I'll be making some videos for you guys about it all getting put together as it's getting cut off. Let me see what else. If everything goes good with the paint, I might go ahead and paint this inner part of the grill. That's just black plastic dip from like 2 years ago probably. So I'm gonna get that all color matched to this. But yeah, so this is how the Acura looks right now in the daylight. Yeah, it is a clip I'm gonna throw in right now about me talking about what I'm doing regarding this car now, since everything's all apart. So I'm gonna add that in real quick. Alright, real quick, I'm just gonna throw this in to one of the videos. This is a few questions regarding what I'm doing. Anyways, so this is the current state of my Acura. I'm about to give it a wash because I haven't washed for like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. Anyways, so right now I'm just on stocks. Just because I'm planning on rebuilding the CCWs. I cracked them again, so I gotta fix that. So those are gonna be one of the last things I do. Side skirt's off, sold it. I've got an ASPEC side skirt I gotta get painted, which you've already seen in my videos. Diffuser is sold. So I got a Type-S rear lip. I decided maybe the diffuser might not be a good look for it. I'm not too sure. I'm trying to go more simple. So yeah, so that's done. This is gonna get repainted. The trunk Type-S lip. So as you saw in that last clip, I did get the HIC ones. I actually just sold them, so I didn't even do a comparison. I like this one. This one's like a more of a bigger lip than the HIC ones. Just hit me up if you're interested in these. I can get them pretty good deal. I can sell these like a brand new one for 60 bucks if you are interested. Yeah, these are it. It's like, I don't know what brand it is. Anyway, so I got the right now I got the HIC window visors. They are gonna be holding on to them. I'm not gonna sell these quite yet. I'll show you guys very soon why. But I got the OEM Type-S, not a Type-S, OEM window visors for the Acura, so they have the clips, and those are gonna get painted. So you saw those in the last clip. Let me see what else real quick. that's about it. I am going for a more simple, clean look. But yeah, here is the Acura right now, right before I'm gonna wash it. Yeah, these are 07, 08 base stocks for now. Yep. All right, well, back to the video. All right, well, now I just wanna, you guys do watch these videos and like them, just let me know what you like about them or what I could do too, you know. You guys are interested in seeing anything, body work or anything like that, just let me know. You want me to do anything regarding my Acura, or you want to see other things like my Miata that don't get too much views, so I don't really post too much about it. But yes, let me know on that. I don't know if I already mentioned this, but saving these HIC ones, just because you'll see in a later video why. So yeah, I'm saving these guys. But yeah, here it is. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy this little short video. Like I said, let me know anything you'd like to see on this channel.